Good day everyone. Once the propeller is selected as per the requirements and installed on the drone, it is also important to maintain the propellers. Like any other piece of equipment on your farm, job site or mine, drones should undergo routine maintenance and inspection. Regular UAV maintenance lowers the chances of accidents, saves money down the road, and reduces the risk of liability for your team. Let us look at how do we maintain the drone in our upcoming slides. Perhaps the most important feature of post-flight drone maintenance is propeller care. Propellers should be cleaned after every flight. A good toothbrush or comparable small cleaning brush is great for propellers. As an accompaniment to the toothbrush, some drone pilots swear by toothpaste as a cleaning medium. They brush the propellers free of any dirt or grime with the toothpaste and wipe it off with a lightly moistened microfiber cloth, ensuring that the propellers are totally dry afterwards. Others prefer isopropyl alcohol. After the props are removed, clean the gears as well. Obviously, you don't want to get any toothpaste on any gears or any moving parts. Those can be cleaned with another toothpaste-free toothbrush or other small brushes. Cans of compressed air can be helpful as well. Although, be careful not to spray those too close to or too long at the gears. They can damage delicate mechanisms by freezing them. Before returning the propellers to their housing, check them for any warping or hairline cracks, particularly near the hub. The easiest way to do this is to lightly bend them. If you note any cracks, warping, or any other issues, throw the propellers away and get new ones. Investing in some new propellers, even the most expensive ones, is literally a very small price to pay when compared to a crash drone that was worth many hundreds of dollars. As a general rule of thumb, you should replace your UAV propellers after every 200 flights, even if no damage occurs. Replacing the props periodically avoids any sudden damage to the propellers in flight, leading to catastrophic damage to the drone. In case of a crash, if there is even a slight damage to the propeller, it is safer to replace the propeller with spares rather than wait for it to fail. Drone propellers are not indestructible. Remember that when you land in a field of peas or snip off some branches on a lilac bush on a landing, there is a good chance that you're causing damage to your props. Props are not meant to come in contact with stuff. If all likelihood, your props are probably going to be fine in the above cases. If you clip a tree branch, however, or something along those lines, you will likely be looking at a replacement. It is important for pilots to keep logbooks, tracking hours on the machine, battery charging records, usage time for batteries, etc. People often don't think about tracking the usage of your props. You may think this is overkill, but if you track information about your flights already, it shouldn't be much more effort to track when a prop begins its operational life. Start dates and end dates, that's all you need. Number of props with non-corrosive permanent ink on the underside near the hub. Mark down the first day that a prop is used. That's it. If you keep a running tally, then you can feel more comfortable switching out a single propeller. An example of the pilot's propeller log can be seen on the slide. Your prop log doesn't need to be any more complicated than the one shown on the slide. It is as simple as that, and you can protect yourself against possible litigation if anything ever goes wrong. Always keep in the back of your mind that if anything were to go wrong, there are several parties who are directly or indirectly trying to point the finger at you, whether it's your fault or not. To summarize, we looked at the post flight maintenance of propellers, replacing the propellers, and log your props like the way you do batteries. You are now ready with your propellers to be mounted on the drone. Thank you.